When most people think about digital products, they think about the same old things: eBooks, courses, planners. And look, those can work, but let's be real, they're also the most overdone ideas. What if I told you there are formats out there that are easier, more fun, and often overlooked, but can still sell while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 unexpected digital product ideas that you can brainstorm with ChatGPT today. These aren't the things you'll see all over Etsy or Canva. These are ideas that will make you think, wow, I never thought of that. And make sure you stay with me until the end, because I'll share some bonus prompts that you can use to generate even more creative ideas for yourself. And I'll show you how to make ChatGPT give you better answers by adding qualifiers and constraints. If we haven't met yet, I'm Kristen. I've been in marketing for over 30 years, and after spending a decade thinking about starting my own business selling digital products online, I finally made the leap at 53 years old earlier this year. So in this video, we're going to talk about 10 unexpected digital product formats that you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm and even help you create. By the end, you'll walk away with fresh ideas that you can actually see yourself making and selling without quitting your 9-to-5. And if you're new here and want more ideas like this every week, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. All right, let's jump into idea number 1. Private audio lessons. This is one of my favorite unexpected formats because it's so simple. Instead of writing a 100-page ebook or recording a whole video course, you can just record yourself talking through a topic in short, digestible chunks. Think of them like bite-sized podcasts, except they're private. Why does this work? Because people love audio, because it's easy to consume on the go while you're driving, cleaning, walking the dog. And for you as the creator, audio is much less intimidating than writing or being on camera. So here's a prompt that you can try right now. Brainstorm 10 topics in my niche that could be taught in 10-minute audio lessons. Make them beginner-friendly and outline what each lesson would cover. So if your niche is dog training, you might get a series like How to Crate Train Your Puppy, the first 5 commands to teach, dealing with separation anxiety, and then package those up as audio files, and suddenly you've got a digital product. Idea number 2, interactive spreadsheets that do the work for you. Now, I know spreadsheets doesn't sound glamorous, but hear me out. We're not talking about boring old trackers. We're talking about interactive spreadsheets that actually solve problems. These are digital products that people will pay for because they save them time and brain power. So why do these work? Well, people love done-for-you solutions. If you can give them a tool that crunches numbers or organizes data automatically, you've just given them hours of their life back. So here's a prompt that you can test. Suggest 5 spreadsheet tools that I could create in my niche that would save people time or money. Include what formulas or automations would make them useful. So if your niche is side hustles, ChatGPT might suggest a profit calculator where people would input their expenses and their sales, and it would show their net income instantly. Or a content batching planner that automatically fills in dates when you enter how many posts you want to create. That's a product that people would buy. Moving on to idea number 3, decision-making decks or digital flashcards. This one is fun and interactive. So instead of handing someone a static guide, you would instead give them a deck of cards that they can flip through digitally. Why does this work? Well, it makes learning or decision-making feel like a game. People engage more with things they can click, shuffle, draw from. And here's a prompt that you can use. Give me 30 decision-making flashcards that I could include in a deck for my niche. Each card should have one idea, question, or challenge that helps the buyer take action. For example, if your niche is in fitness, one card might say, pick a workout you loved as a kid and do it for 20 minutes today. Another one might say, choose one food that you can swap this week for a healthier option. It's simple, but it's interactive, and that's what makes it memorable. All right, moving on to idea number 4, voice-guided scripts or meditations. This one's perfect if you have a calming voice or if your niche lends itself to mindset, wellness, or even motivation. So This one works because people are craving stress relief and focus tools, and they're used to paying for things like meditation apps. But you don't need an app. You can create and sell your own audio files. Here's a prompt that you can try. Write 5 short guided scripts in my niche. Each one should be under 10 minutes and designed to help someone feel calmer, more focused, or more confident. If your niche is in productivity, one script might guide someone through visualizing their perfect workday. If your niche is in parenting, maybe it's a bedtime relaxation script for kids. All right, idea number 5, micro workshops in a PDF. So here's a format a lot of people overlook. A workshop that's packaged into a single PDF. Now, why does this one work? People don't always want a giant course. Sometimes they just want a quick, structured process that they can complete in under an hour. Here's a prompt idea for you. Outline a 60-minute workshop in my niche. Include a teaching section, an exercise, and an action step that someone can take right away. If your niche is in photography, this might be something like how to shoot better photos on your phone in 1 hour. The PDF walks them through the concepts, give practice prompts, and then ends with an assignment. Done. All right, so if this is sparking some new ideas for you, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. I share new content every week to help you build a business that you can run on nights and weekends without quitting your day job. All right, let's move on to idea number 6, editable ChatGPT prompt libraries. This one is very meta, but hear me out. People love shortcuts, and a library of done-for-you prompts is exactly that. Not everyone knows how to talk to ChatGPT to get good results. So if you can create a set of prompts that are specific to a niche, that's a product people will pay you for. Here's a prompt that you can test. Create 20 ChatGPT prompts for my niche that someone could use to generate content, emails, or product ideas. So if your niche is fitness coaching, your library might include prompts for creating meal plans or writing motivational emails or designing a week of Instagram content. Idea number 7, plug and play Canva animations. Templates are popular, yes, but animated templates, that is less common and they stand out. So animations catch attention online and most people don't know how to make them. You can sell them ready to go. Here's a prompt for you. List 10 animated Canva templates that I could create for my niche. Focus on short, eye-catching designs that people could use on Instagram or TikTok. For example, an animated intro slide for a reel or carousel with moving transitions. It's a twist on the typical template pack. All right, idea number 8, email mini-series as a product. This one's close to my heart as an email marketer. You can literally sell a sequence of pre-written emails as a product. Writing emails is overwhelming for a lot of people. If you hand them a mini series, say 5 emails that teach a concept or sell a simple offer, you've saved them days of stress. So here's a prompt that you can try. Write a 5 email series in my niche that educates, entertains, and builds trust. Keep each email under 300 words. So if your niche is cooking, maybe this is a 5-day series called the Weeknight Dinner Reset. All right, let's move on to idea number 9, printable experience kits. So instead of selling another planner, sell an experience. This one works because experiences feel special. They're not just tools, they're memories in a box. Here's a prompt idea. Design a printable experience kit in my niche. Include a theme, a schedule, and activities that make it feel like an event. For example, in wellness, it could be an at-home retreat kit with a schedule, reflection prompts, and recipes. In relationships, it could be date night conversation cards. And finally, idea number 10, digital sound packs or audio effects. So here's one you don't hear every day, sound packs. Content creators are always looking for background music, effects, or little audio snippets to level up their videos and podcasts. If you can curate or create these, that's a unique product offering. Here's a prompt that you can test. Suggest 20 audio effects or background sounds that would be useful for my niche audience. Include short descriptions of when or how to use them. For example, a fitness coach making YouTube videos might want upbeat workout background loops. A podcaster might want transition sounds or notification dings. Okay, you made it to the end. Here's where it gets fun, because I don't want you to just take my list of 10 and stop there. I want you to explore what's possible for you. Here are a few bonus prompts that you can try tonight. Brainstorm 10 unusual digital product formats for someone in my niche. Focus on ideas that don't require video or writing a full book. Suggest 5 digital products that could be created entirely in audio format. Keep them beginner friendly. List 7 digital products that someone could create if they have no design skills. Focus on formats that are quick to make and easy to update. Suggest digital product formats that match my personality. And then you insert your traits and you say, don't suggest anything that would require me to work against my natural strengths. See how much more personal those get? That's the magic of adding qualifiers and constraints to your ChatGPT prompts. The more detail you give ChatGPT, the better and more realistic the results will be. So there you have it, 10 unexpected digital product ideas that you can brainstorm using ChatGPT, plus bonus prompts to help you come up with your own. If you're ready to take the next step and actually create your first digital product, I'll link my shortcut below. It's designed to give you that quick win, the one that takes you from dreaming to doing. And if you want to see how to validate your ideas before you waste time building them, watch this video next. Remember, you don't need more hours in the day. You just need the right assistant. Here's to your success. I'll see you next week. If this saved you time or gave you clarity, please hit like and subscribe. I've got a lot more videos coming and they're all made with you in mind.